Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks and laser tips and tricks. I've had a bunch of people over the years ask me how to find a subject or a topic on one of my videos. And I did a video like this, but I only had like 500 videos at the time. Right this minute, I have 2,245 Corel Draw videos, plus I've got 36 laser tips and tricks on my channel. So when you go to my channel, and you're on my channel right now because you're watching a video on my channel, there are two magnifying glasses on the screen. One of them is to search, but that'll search all of YouTube. The other magnifying glass is right here. And if you click on that, and let's go text to path, if that's what you wanted to find, and hit enter. In any video that I put in the name, text the path. Here's text the path part 2, part 3, part 5, more information. I've done a lot of text the path problems, text the path with a twist, envelope versus text the path. And also, if you want to find one of my laser tips and tricks, just type that in, and you'll get some other laser. Like this is the Corel Draw tips and tricks, but it has the word laser in it. But here's laser tips and trick, color mapping, the knife jig, 3D, and I've got quite a few that are laser related that not really have anything to do with Corel Draw. So that is a way to find some of my items. And I thought I'd also mention I have my own Facebook page for the last couple of months. And I've actually just noticed tonight I've got files, but the real name is Corel Draw File Share. And if you go there and click right here under Files, there are numerous files. I just added one tonight, just 11 seconds ago, that's an owl on a tree. So once you get on my site, you can go to Files. You can ask to become a member, and I pretty much let everybody in, and I have right now 371 people that are members of my site that use my files. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.